Hey guys, this is the channel Riki and Me, and this video is based around taming our wonderful birdie Rio. For now, I am trying to get to the second phase of training where she sits on my hand, and after that, she needs to, when she gets used to my hand, I'll try feeding her with like Riki does. Like Riki allows me to. I don't have any seeds right now to show you, but and so after that, the third bit is to make her not bite me like she's trying to right now, but to sit. She usually just tries. She sometimes sits on my hoodie, but usually she prefers not to, and it only happened just today. And so, if you'd like to see the first phase of training, you can find the video in the description below. And one of the things, she is scared of hands, not as much as she has been. We've already had her for 2 months, so she's pretty used to us. And she would allow me to. She would demonstrate how she sits on my hand if she wasn't so feisty. She's really just a good bird. Come on, Riki. Oh, come on, Riki. We still carry on doing the stick training, and she's still not. She still not like.
This is the turn. Ja, eine longer version.
That's a very good tip.